hearty welcome to YouTube Can, a channel that will help you to succeed in examinations easily.
Good day. Now we are going to solve the problem regarding oral transients. Okay, it's a very important problem. Okay, so read the problem. In the circuit shown below, switch S is in position 1 for 0.01 second and brought to position 2. Then you have to find the transient current. So you have to find the transient current when it is at position 2. Okay, so previously the switch is in position 1 for some seconds, 0.01 seconds. That will be the current through the inductor. That is the initial condition of the inductor. That is, the initial conditions of the inductor was the current when it is at first position. Remember this. Okay, then you have to transfer the switch to second position and find the transient current with previous initial condition. That is the procedure. Okay, so first, at first position, the circuit will be like this. That is 200 volt when it is in first position. Okay, 10 ohm, 0.2 Henry. Now a current, transient current, flows through the circuit. Okay, we all know the formula, the same formula. I of t is equal to V by R into 1 minus e power minus R by L t. Substitute the values of voltage and current. 200 by 10, resistance is 10, into 1 minus e power minus R is 10, L is 0.2 t. Okay, now what is 20 into 1 minus e power minus 10 by 0.2, 0.2 means 1 by 5, so it is 50 t. Okay, this is the current through the circuit when it is at position 1, but it remains at this position only for 0.01 second. Previously in the last video we have seen that it is in position 1 for long time. Long time means you have to put t equal to infinity, but here the switch is in position 1 for only 0.01 second. After 0.01 second it is transferred to second position, so you have to find the current at 0.01 second only. So what is I at 0.01 second? What is I? 20 into 1 minus e power minus 50 into 0.01. Okay, now let me find the answer. Okay, minus 50 into 0.01, that is minus 0.5. So 1 minus e power minus 0.5 into 20, that is 7.87. Okay, so the answer is 7.87 amps. So remember that this will be the initial condition of the inductor when it is at position 2, and when it is at position 2, the initial condition of the inductor is the current flowing through the inductor when it is at position 1 for 0.01 seconds. Okay, so the initial condition of the inductor is 7.87 amps now. Okay, now it is brought to the second position. So second position, what will be the circuit? It is 40 volt, 10 ohm, 0.2 Henry. Now at this position there will be an initial current through the inductor. That is, the initial condition I of 0 is 7.87 amps. The arrow direction is shown as below. Okay, because the current through the inductor is from this direction to this direction when it is at position 1. So we are drawing the current at this direction. Okay, the same as the current through this. Okay, this current is also in the same direction. Okay, now we have to find the transient current I of t. This is very easy. You have to write KVL equations. So KVL equations, 10 I of t for a resistor plus 0.2 d I of t by dt will be equal to 40. Okay, so take Laplace transform on both sides. So 10 I of s plus 0.2 s I of s minus I of 0, this is equal to 40. Laplace is 40 by s. Now this I of 0 is 7.87. So 10 into I of s plus 0.2 s into I of s minus 0.2 into 7.87. 0.2 into 7.87 is 1.574. 1.574, that is equal to 40 by s. Now take this I of s common outside. It is 10 plus 0.2 s, that is equal to 40 by s plus 1.574. Okay, now take this LCM. 40 plus 1.574 s divided by s. Now what is I of s? I of s is equal to 40 plus 1.574 s divided by s into 10 plus 0.2 s. That is I of s is equal to 40 plus 1.574 s divided by s into 10 plus 0.2 s. Now we have to take this 0.2 outside. So 40 plus 1.574 s divided by s into 0.2 into s plus 10 by 0.2. Okay. Okay, 40 by 0.2, denominator we have 0.2, so 40 by 0.2 it will be 200 plus 1.574 by 0.2, 1.574 divided by 0.2, that is 7.87, 7.87 s divided by s into s plus 10 by 0.2, that is 50, that is I of s. Now we have to apply partial fraction. The I of s is equal to 200 plus 7.87 s by s into s plus 50 will be equal to a by s plus b by s plus 50, that is equal to a into s plus 50 plus bs by s into s plus 50. Here 200 plus 7.87 s. Okay, the denominator gets cancelled. It is equal to as plus 50a plus bs. Here 200 plus 7.87 s. Now compare s term. A plus b equal to 7.87 and compare constant term 50a equal to 200. Now what is a equal to 200 by 50, that will be equal to 4. So a is equal to 4. Substitute the value of a here. So b is equal to 7.87 minus 4, that will minus 4, that is equal to 3.87. Now B is 7.87 minus A, that is A is 4, so B is equal to 3.87. Okay. Now substitute the value of A and B in this equation. Now I of S is equal to 4 divided by S plus 3.87 divided by S plus 50. Have to take Laplace inverse and find I of t, that is 4 by S, inverse is 4. For this the inverse is 3.87 e power minus 50t. That's all. Thank you.